कर्नाटका में 10 मई को मुनक्किद होने वाले असेंबली इलेक्शंस के पेश नज़र वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी दारुल हुकूमत बेंगलुरु की सड़कों पर और गलियों से गुजरते हुए वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी रियासती बीजेपी हुकूमत की तायद कर रहे हैं और रियासती बीजेपी हुकूमत की तशरीह करते नजर आ रहे हैं। इस सिलसिले में साबिक मरकजी वजीर और कांग्रेस के सीनियर लीडर के रहमान खान ने कहा कि वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी अपने रोड शोज और इलेक्शन के रैलियों को लेकर कर्नाटका में एक नई तारीख लिख रहे हैं।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, no prime minister in India's history has spent so much of time in a state election. Even Prime Minister Vajpayee has addressed one or two public meetings during the general elections, state and general elections. Now here is the case, our Prime Minister is creating history because he is famous for creating history. He is creating history by going road show in a individual constituency, which even that means their dearth of credible leadership. Is the Prime Minister coming and going to every constituency shows there is dearth of individual state leadership, and they have failed. And they are, because the fear of losing the elections, the Prime Minister is spending his valuable time and resources of the state. Resource of the state is being spent for, because he is the Prime Minister, all type security should be given, and crores of rupees are spent for his security. Yes, he needs the security. But why he should go? Why did the state, is there a dearth of state leaders? Why he should go to, when, let them give an example, when the Prime Minister, other than our Narendra Modi, has gone to individual constituencies in for a state election. That shows that the BJP is losing ground, and they want to use the Prime Minister's to win the election, which the people of Karnataka are determined to change the government, and they will change it.
But you somewhere feel because BJP, I mean the present government of BJP is totally under fear, like they're going to lose the election, that's the reason they're trying to get big faces?
It is evident. It is evident. To come, let us see in law, the Chief Minister is not a face. They feel that the Chief Minister is not a face. Yadurappa is aged, and the only face in the state leader is Yadurappa. And there are no other leaders. All credible leaders are leaving and going.
ईटीवी भारत के लिए बेंगलोर से रफीक जब्बार की रिपोर्ट।